Transport helps us move from place to place. Let's explore the amazing world of transportation together. Long ago, people walked everywhere or rode horses and bullock carts to travel. Today, we have many transport options. Bicycles are quiet, clean, and inexpensive. Buses carry many passengers along roads to towns and cities across Sri Lanka. Cars, vans, and trucks transport people and goods, but they can be noisy and pollute the air. Trains run on railway lines and can carry many passengers over long distances. They connect big cities but need special railway stations and tracks. Airplanes are the fastest transport, flying across oceans and continents in hours. But airports are expensive to build, and planes can only land in special places. Ships and boats cross oceans carrying heavy cargo and many passengers, but they're slower than other transport and need harbors and ports. All transport needs special infrastructure: roads, railways, airports, and harbors. Each form of transport has advantages and disadvantages, but together they connect our world.